Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable advanced security on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that, you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example, whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that, it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. And now after that you access to the GitHub, just go to the features page, just add URL features, and make sure that it is plural with the S at the end. We will go to features and then we will go to security. After that, you will need just secure at every steps. Here we will find the advanced security products of GitHub. You will need just to click on request GitHub and then you will need to fill in your booking, and then we will need to click on let's talk. And then after you click on let's talk, it will have just give you this charging image or just confirmation page, and then you can just go back and you have your booking that has been just done successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.